reach the stars. We can reach the stars. We can reach the stars. Stars.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin and also one of my favorite altcoins, Chainlink. If we're looking at the Cryptowatch homepage, we can see that Bitcoin is now down over 10%, trading just below 35,500. And one of the only things that's actually up today is Chainlink. Currently, it's back down below the $20 level, but that's because Bitcoin is pulling back. But still, nonetheless, Chainlink is up 14.46%, and the future is looking really bright for Chainlink. And if you guys have been watching this channel recently, Bitcoin is doing, well, almost exactly what we've been expecting here on this channel for the past week or so. Before we get started, guys, smash up that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and also scroll down and make sure you have that bell button selected. Over the past week, this channel has provided potentially the most accurate Bitcoin price prediction across all of YouTube. Now, I'm not normally the one to just come on YouTube and always talk about how great my predictions are, but right now it is actually true. Things are going almost exactly as we expected. And big disclaimer, does this have to play out? Is this guaranteed to play out? Absolutely not, guys. Anything can happen. And I also want to make it clear that I think Bitcoin is going to be smashing to new all-time highs within the next couple months. So don't be afraid of the volatility, guys. It's all very normal. Just sit tight, relax, everything will be just fine. So some of you may be wondering, Kev, why are we going to go sideways? And how did you already know that altcoins would start moving with this action? Well, guys, this all has to do with understanding history, understanding what's most characteristic of Bitcoin in a bull market and how it normally behaves. So we just saw this massive 30% dump, and Bitcoin did something extremely similar in 2017. If you're looking at the chart right now here in 2021, we broke the all-time high and we're seeing some resistance here. Very normal stuff. Look at 2017, guys, after we broke the all-time high, almost like a spitting image of what's happening right now. We ripped through the all-time high, we reached a peak, traded sideways for a few weeks, saw one final dump to the downside before rallying out of there long-term. And guys, remember, those prices in 2017, after the first initial breakout and the creation of this first parabolic advance, these were the lowest prices you could have ever bought Bitcoin for a lifetime. The price never went there again. And I expect something very similar for Bitcoin right now. So a lot of people are probably freaking out, thinking, oh my God, should I be selling Bitcoin right now? Well, probably not. You should probably just be looking to buy more. This is potentially a once in a lifetime buy zone, and you should not be afraid of this volatility that we're seeing right now. Don't be afraid of this, guys. It's all very normal stuff. And like I've been saying for the past week, alt season is coming, right? This is fuel for alt season. And how did we know in this channel that the alts would really start to get some play here? Well, if you just look at history, that parabolic advance that we were just talking about, going from April, May, June, July. Let's go to April, May, June, July on the Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's go into 2017 here. April, May, June, July. From April, May, going into June and July, Bitcoin dominance lost nearly 45%, 40%. That is a massive reduction in Bitcoin dominance in just a few months. And the altcoins were exploding in 2017 during those months. And what was Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin was breaking the all-time high, trading sideways, pulling back, and then running up again. And this is what we're looking for here on this channel right now, guys. We're looking for something similar where Bitcoin may trade sideways for a few weeks, see one pullback, and then look to rally out of here for the long term. And again, a once in a lifetime buy zone here below 50K, once in a lifetime buy opportunity. So you should definitely not be afraid. So when Bitcoin is consolidating sideways, money trickles out of Bitcoin into the altcoins. Now today, because Bitcoin is dumping so fast, some of the altcoins are starting to get a little bit of a pullback here with Bitcoin, which is all very normal. Just remember, when Bitcoin is consolidating sideways during an alt season, when Bitcoin rallies during the consolidation, during the rally and at the top of the formation, that is when the altcoins see the most action. That is when there's the most excitement, the most hype, and the most money flowing into the alts, is during Bitcoin bounces while it's going sideways. And then yes, the altcoins may pull back with Bitcoin just like they are right now, very normal, and then maybe some more action for alts on the next bounce. And we'll see if it plays out. Now, moving on to Chainlink. Chainlink is seeing some harsh rejection right now on the daily chart. Looking at the Binance chart, Chainlink hit $21.45, and now because Bitcoin is pulling back, Chainlink is seeing a retest of that breakout zone. So this is a pretty nasty wick here, but personally, I'm not really all too worried. This lower high is the current breakout zone, and that breakout zone is around $17.75. Now, remember, Chainlink has only spent 1, 2, 3 days above this price level. Actually, we've only closed 2 daily candles in Chainlink history above $17.75. So even though right now it's looking nasty, I think it's fine. I'm really not worried. I think we're going to bounce. I think we're going to keep going, especially, as I keep saying, especially when Bitcoin bounces again, when it rallies during these sideways consolidations in an alt season, that's when things really pop off. So I wouldn't be too worried, guys. Even though we're back at $18 right now, I think that once Bitcoin bounces again, Chainlink is going to be ripping back to new all-time highs. And you guys know that I'm bullish on Chainlink. Some of my viewers were buying Chainlink with me, below $4 here during the crash, $1, $1.80, $2, $3, $4. We were buying it heavily on this channel at those levels. And some of you guys from a couple of years ago were buying Chainlink with me near 50 cents. So overall, Chainlink's progress over the past many years, and even just the past, year, has been phenomenal. It's just that the timing of this attempted breakout for Chainlink, not the best timing, right? Trying to break all-time highs while Bitcoin's pulling back. But again, once Bitcoin rallies, Chainlink is going to bounce right back up. And looking at Chainlink here on the weekly chart, pulling up some of our higher fib extension targets from high to low for Chainlink. If we do get this breakout to continue, which I do think it will during this alt season, the first major target will likely be coming in around the 1618 at about $28.13. That's the first target. And the second major upside target that I've talked about a lot of times is the $40 level, the 2618 fib extension. And my first major upside target is about $40 US. So that is ultimately what I'm looking at here for Chainlink in terms of the first major initial breakout target. Now, on my channel, I've made videos about Chainlink discussing how I expect thousands of % gains throughout the next year. I can link that video above or below so you guys can see that video. And I've said many times on my channel, I'm expecting a triple-digit target for Chainlink in this bull market. I think that once we get above this all-time high and really start to get momentum, and if Bitcoin does reach my long-term target of 250,000 in this bull market, Chainlink, in my opinion, could easily reach triple digits and potentially as high as $450 US, which sounds crazy. It sounds totally crazy, but as we know, in a bull market, when the altcoins really start to move, they really start to move. And Chainlink has barely even broken its all-time high yet. And Bitcoin has just broken out above the all-time high. We haven't even gotten our first major pullback yet. So guys, things are really just getting started. And now is a good time to prepare. A lot of people are going to be saying, Kevin, should I be buying Chainlink right now? I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that, buying below $20 at this point is just an accumulation zone at this point, guys. For altcoins, this is pre-bull market action. We haven't even really entered a bull market yet for altcoins. And like I keep saying, this sideways action could easily result in a major alt season. So yes, guys, crypto is pretty wild. You're going to see crazy swings all over the place. Don't be afraid of that. I also see Ethereum breaking its all-time high in the not so distant future. I think that, if Bitcoin does get this sideways action, Ethereum has the shot to actually break out as Bitcoin is trading sideways. We've seen this happen a few times in Ethereum history. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Ethereum break out either. And guys, you guys know I'm super bullish on Chainlink. You guys know long term, I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. I'm super bullish on Ethereum. And I still think we're in a once in a lifetime buy zone for most of these coins. And also, huge shout out to everybody in the Patreon. We just hit over 500 Patreon members, which is a new record high. So thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. If you guys want to see what other altcoins I'm accumulating, join in on the Patreon. This is a limited time offer. The price will be raised to $50 US in the next couple of months. So definitely take this opportunity while you can. A lot of my patrons have been getting into some really nice altcoin projects. The people on my Patreon who have been buying the right projects and staying patient have been crushing it recently. We've been making a ton of gains here. So definitely join Patreon if you want to see what other altcoins I have, if you want to see my public crypto portfolio, and you can also join my exclusive VIP chat, and we are doing monthly giveaways. All that is in Patreon. I'll see you guys in Patreon. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video.